So while we talk about risk, Santosh, we have also seen a big number of investors coming into the mutual fund space now in the last few years. They are beginning with tax saving funds, and then they get attracted to the idea of high risk funds like thematic or sectoral strategies. Is that the same for Germinate as well?
See, a certain portion of investors do come in and try mutual fund for the first time because they want to save tax, right? The Section 80C is a big draw. And the few distributors who do advertise saying that invest in mutual funds and save tax and let your money also grow. So we've seen that nice ads for ELSs which says number one, save tax, number two, make your money grow, and number three, the lowest lock-in period of 3 years. Now when people come in, you have to tell them that even ELSs is a mutual fund scheme. Some people are thinking that ELSs is different, mutual fund is different. So you tell them that ELSs is a category under which mutual funds also operate a diversified multi-cap fund. Now, when they come in and the next 2 to 3 years, if ever they get a good upside on it, they get carried away, they get enamored with the good returns, because otherwise, what are they used to? They're used to paying an LIC premium, or they're used to PPF at maybe 8% or less than 8. Then suddenly you see 10, 12, 15% return. They get carried away and saying, Hare Baba, only 3-year lock-in. Why can't I put more money over here? Then they do the same thing. They chose an ELSs because they want to save tax. Now they'll choose a fund because they want to make money. They throw the rationale and logic of need, goal, risk reward out of the window and choose what is the best performing one. So what they do, like go to Google tab bar, best performing mutual fund. And God knows what answer they'll get depending on the Google algorithm that works.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.